welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video, so let's get started. I am starting this video like this because we are going to be unboxing Agaro's volumizing hair dryer. It's also called like blower brush or something. This has been trending a lot lately and most of them already have this. Very late on this trend, but it's okay. Now we have got this, so see how this works. If it actually works, then everybody has it. Only thing that I'm a little sad about is I ordered this on Amazon and I just received it like this. Like it was not packed in any like Amazon pack, or there's no sellotape. Like I just hope you have given me a new product, Agaro. They have mentioned a few things about the product of here. It says
activated charcoal crystals. Oh. It also says gold styling surface for even heat distribution, anti-scalding tip, ionic technology to reduce frizz, dual power for
Okay, see, basically everybody have been using this product to get that salon-like blow dry finish and like full bouncy hair. So you get the product and you get one manual and warranty card. Let's first read how to use. Okay, done. So basically you're I am just opening it and okay, this was open. I thought it was broken. I had to return and anyways, let's see. I hope it works and I don't end up burning my house. So it has 3 speed, the heat. It has off, cool, 1 hot and extreme hot, or it's the wind flow, I don't know. Let's see. So you are supposed to have like almost kind of air dried hair. So it's been a while since I took shower and I was just having this towel on. So basically you're not supposed to have your hair dripping. It should be like little dampish wet. Is it a word? Dampish wet? You got the point, no? Okay, let me apply some serum. Okay, let's start. It is kind of like not like heavy, but it does weigh a little more than any normal hair dryer. I'm also kind of like I just want to see how much of noise pollution it's going to create. So let's see. Frankly, it does have some kind of burnt plastic smell. I'm actually very worried what if like burst, because I recently kind of experienced that with my hair dryer. It does heat over here, but it's not like burning. So first one, it's just like the normal air. Second one, it's a little heat. Third one, it's too much heat. So basically, yeah, that's how it is. So let's try with normal first fan that. Okay, it did actually. I just did it for few times and it's like almost dry this side, and you can see it kind of straightened my hair. I did not do it completely because I thought let me partition my hair and then do. So let me do that. I am pretty sure I'm not going to use the last speed of the heat because first one only worked pretty well. Like it's very mild heat and like it blows air. I'm gonna first do the first half to see the difference of how much it straightened my hair than my normal hair. Okay, so whatever I did over here, I'm gonna do here quickly and I'll show you the difference. Hi, I am done with this side and I must say it feels very okay, let's see this side. Obviously, for a fact, this is not dry. I know this is how it is. This for sure feels very voluminous. So I quickly finished both the side and it looks very voluminous. Also, this is kind of getting tangled, which is not supposed to happen. Only this is supposed to move like this, and this is not supposed to get twirled like this. But I don't know, I think it's because it's new and it was all tied up. I hope so, it is because of that. But yeah, no wonder everybody are giving such great reviews about this. Look at that. Frankly, I don't have to even straighten my hair. I don't have to like. This is hair drying and setting my hair at once. I actually like this product because I never expected I would like this product so much, because it is so much of a time saving, because I am a person who doesn't have much patience. So sometimes if I just hair dry my hair, I'm done. I don't even set my hair. Even if I have to go to a wedding, I'll just dry my hair and I go. I'll show from back how bouncy it's looking. So this is how it is. I actually liked it. As it is a comb, I thought this might get stuck somewhere in my hair between. Thankfully it did not. I think it's because of the bristles that it has. It is helping in kind of getting rid of all the knots. Great in that. But I would still recommend you to apply serum and slightly remove tangles and then try this. Third one, this is very convenient to use, because that's not how I thought it would be, because I was actually a little skeptical of how this is. You have to get used to you once you start using it, like some 3-4 times you'll get used to holding this and using this. So yeah, this is my review. Should you buy this or not? I feel it works great, saves a lot of time, and if you are a lazy person like me who has no patience to dry and then style your hair, I think then this is a win-win for you. And there are other brands as well on Amazon which is less than $1,000. I don't know, I mean, you can give it a try, but I just feel don't go to some random brand. There is also Alan Truman and Urban Yogi, I guess. Yeah, Urban Yogi. So that is a little different than this. So that has a replaceable head. So in this you can't remove this. In Urban Yogi you can remove this, and there's that hair dryer which has like a circle. Yeah. So you can like hair dry and then use it. In this you can just wait for some time, and once your hair is kind of damp and not like dripping wet, you can start using this. Also avoid to use this when your hair is like dripping. You'll just end up damaging your hair. So yeah, it is a great product, so you can go get yours for sure. Also, this is not a sponsored video, as I saw so many of them using this and trying this and doing a lot of hair hacks with this. I really wanted to get my hands on this, and so I did that, and this is not a sponsored video. And yeah, as it said, I did not have any frizzy hair. Like, see, even now my hair is pretty smooth and not getting tangled. So yeah, that's it for today's video. What do you think of this product? Are you planning to get yours? Let me know in the comments below. And also, if you want to let me try other products that's like trending or it's going around, and like if you want me to try, let me know. I will for sure give it a try and let you know if it is worth your bucks. If you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up, and if you did feel this video was a little helpful, or if somebody is planning to buy this blower hair brush, just share this video with them. Also, wait, please do subscribe to my channel because it really means a lot to me. I'll meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye.